Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube video series. Christmas 2021. Can't really call it Black Friday sales because it started in November 1st into October. Anyway, one of the things I bought, RYOBI ONE Plus 18 volt cordless battery. Of course it's cordless if it has a battery in it, right? Crown stapler. I've been wanting one of these for a while. It's not very convenient pulling out your corded stapler when you only have 10-15 staples put in. So thought I'd pick this up. It was on sale. I believe it was $59 if I'm correct. $49 or $59, I can't remember. But like I said, I've been wanting one of these for a while. I was waiting on them to go on sale. So already opened the box, already looked at it, so can't really call this an unboxing, but let's look at this thing together. Appreciate you watching. Here we go. I was watching some football earlier, and my team is totally getting spanked really bad. But taking a break, doing this video. RYOBI ONE Plus 18 volt crown stapler. Here we go. I'm going to turn this over so I can read it. Over 5,000 staples per charge. Fastens 3/8 inch, 1/4 inch to 9/16 inch in length. This one did not come with a battery or charger, but I have plenty of those on hand. Let's see, here's the number if you want to check it out. Compression drive technology provides automated convenience to eliminate user fatigue. Let's see. Onboard dual screen wire attachment allows installation that guides staples without penetrating wire or screen. Comes with removable belt clip. New and improved grip zone over mode for optimal grip and user comfort. We all need that, right? Anyway, here we go. Here is the stapler itself. This little removable belt hook came with it. I'm not going to put it on. And it only came with a few staples, not very many. Disappointed in that. But hopefully, since RYOBI and Hart are both made by the same people, I forgot to pick up extra staples at Home Depot. So the next time I was at Walmart, I picked up these Hart 9/16 and 3/8 inch heavy duty staples. Now these take T50 style, but these aren't marked T50, but it says somewhere on here, fits all Hart heavy duty staplers and most other heavy duty staplers, which I'm just going to say that it should fit the RYOBI. Okay, get these out of the way. It is a nice comfortable grip right here. I don't have huge hands, but they're not baby size hands either. So it fits pretty comfortable. Look at there. I like it. Okay. Right here is the depth gauge. Just turn this knob on the top. You can adjust the depth right there. There we go. Now make sure you don't overturn this, because I've seen another video where a guy did that and he broke this little gauge right here. So yeah, okay, red is, oh, upside down, no wonder. Red is max, blue is minimum. right there. Okay, so let me turn it back on minimum when we get ready to start. Okay, right here is a good feature where you can take this off and switch the directions, right? You see this is molded one, well, there we go. This is molded one way and this is molded another way. So if you put it on this way, here we go. While you're stapling your wire, this part right here will be surrounding your wire like this, right? And the idea is it won't cut the wire. Now if you turn it this way, the other direction, this is for more delicate items like your screen. So the staples will be shooting out this way, but it has this thing in the middle to help secure. Hope I'm explaining that right. But anyway, two different styles of shooting your staples. Let's see here. Nice comfortable grip handle. To load these, you just open this up, pull it out, put the staples in. Let me open this up. We're just going to take these staples, move this out of the way. There we go. Just slide them down right here on each side, right? See where it slides, and just push that back in, lock it in place. I have a fully charged battery right here. There we go. You can see all the lights right there. Fully charged. Move this aside. Get rid of this razor knife. Okay, we're going to connect this wire into this piece of, whoops, into this piece of oak right here. So here we go. Battery in. It's on blue, which is minimum. And let me switch this around to the wire setting. Turn that back around. This way. Snaps right back in. Into a nice 3/4 inch piece of oak. Now this oak is dried out with no problems. Okay, here we go. Push that down. What's going on there? Nothing happened. Staple didn't come out. So let's turn this down to maximum. See what happens. Hoping I don't have to take this thing back. Pick up my wire here. Try it again. What's going on here? That's kind of weird. I hear the staples sliding back and forth in there. You take this battery out. Okay, folks, I got it figured out. So what I said about earlier about loading the staples was completely wrong. Helps if you read the directions right. But you know how some of us are. Open this up. Do not put your staples on here like I showed you, which makes sense to me. Turn it upside down. Insert your staples right here. Slide that back in, lock it. There you go. Oh, let's put the battery back in. Now why did they fall out? What's going on here? Everything's right. There we go. Okay, that's on minimum, maximum. Let's go back down to minimum on the dial. There we go. Put this wire up here. This time it should be done right, right? It should be stapled right, the correct way. Well, I missed it. There we go. Okay, if you look on the side where this little arrow is, right there, kind of hard to see, but that shows where the staple actually comes out of the machine. So this is on minimum. Let's go back down to maximum. See how it holds that wire in there. And again, we are using a piece of old oak. Still didn't go very far in there. Let's try that again. That one went a little farther. There we go. And it didn't cut the wire, you see right there. So let's switch this out. Put it back in. See what happens with this one. Now, might be hard to see, but you see the damage it did to the wire right there. Let's try that again. Whoops, missed it. Standing above it, it's easy to miss. Yep. So, having issues on a minimum, holding this thing into the oak. So let's try it on a piece of pine. I should have a piece of pine right here. Yep. Grab some more of these staples. Throw these in there. Should be fully locked. Here we go. This block of wood right here, this block of pine. There we go. So that shouldn't be any issue if you're nailing into like your baseboards or any kind of molding that you're doing. Let me pull that out and we are going to, whoops, I guess I'll just do this. And go to the maximum on this pine. Whoops, that was on the max. Let's go back to the minimum and see what it does on this pine right here. So, just like all tools, it is going to take a little, let me flip this around, a little getting used to, but it should just be like anything else. Once you use it a few times, you should be good to go with it. And there we go. No issues with that. RYOBI, what do they call this again? The cordless crown stapler. So I'm going to play around with this more, use it for a few months, give another follow-up review on this thing, get some more experience with it, where I can get some speed and find out exactly what depth I need for which wood I'm working with. So, let me do some experimenting. Get back with you in a little while, probably springtime or so. Give you an update. Tell you how I like it then. But right now, I like this tool. Like it a lot. Nice compact design. It's not real heavy. Of course, most of the weight is going to be up here and back here for the battery. So, let's see. Center point, gravity. It's approximately where this little ridge is for your fingers. And I'm using a 4 amp battery. So like I said, the center of gravity is almost right there. Pretty cool tool. So tell us if you have one of these. Give us your opinion on this tool. If you like it for your job, if you just like it for your general household duties, different things, what do you use it for? Appreciate you being here, taking your time with us today. Now let me get back to my football game. Watching my Falcons get stomped on by the Dallas Cowboys. I don't like it, but got a good friend, Charles. He's loving it.